Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you can see the overall crypto market cap of the cryptocurrency market is sitting at $2.04 trillion. So we're above that $2 trillion mark once again, and that's exactly what we want to be seeing right now. We are up 2.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, wow, we're seeing a major green day once again in the cryptocurrency markets, and we are seeing the continued momentum carry in today from what we have seen over the last 24 to 48 hours, and that's exactly what we want to be seeing right now in the markets, especially after a major bloodbath over the past 2 months. But nothing to get super excited about right now, guys, because we still need Bitcoin to hit specific price targets, but we'll definitely take these price moves for the price for Bitcoin along with the other altcoin markets. So congrats to everyone that is making gains. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin that we love on this channel, and that's none other than Harmony One. All right, my Harmony One family, if we are looking at the Harmony One's price right now, Harmony One is currently trading at 21.6 cents. We are up 7.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 4.2% in the Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Harmony's rank in the overall cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 56 spot. So, if we are comparing it from previous weeks, before, we have seen the overall ranking drop quite significantly, but that's nothing to worry about. I do see us gaining back to where we were, as time goes by, but it all depends on the overall market momentum. But if we are looking at the overall market cap, Harmony One's market cap right now is $2.53 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $184.6 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 1,921%. By far one of the best performing assets over the last 1 year, and I do see it continue to, lead in the upcoming years because Harmony One is a very unique project. If you have done your due diligence and research, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and I do believe this project is definitely here to stay. But again, that's my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. But now let's get into the exciting stuff, the price. What's happening? Where are we going in the immediate short term? That's what everyone wants to know. So let's get right into that. All right, so my Harmony One supporters, if we are looking at the price right now, you guys can see we are currently trading at 21.6 cents. And wow, we are back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And most importantly, we are above this level of resistance at that 20.5 cents mark, and we have smashed past that. And now comes the question, are we headed back into the 38.2 and try to retest that next level of resistance at the 26.8 cents? We will get into that right now, but there's some interesting things that I want to share with you guys if you are a Harmony One holder. So Harmony One has been showing crazy amount of strength over the past couple months. We had seen a double top occur over the past couple months. October was the first one, and the next one was literally this year, January 15th. And you can see literally double top occurred. But this time, the first time around when we did see the price volatility occur in the price of Bitcoin back in December, causing the markets to tumble towards the downside, you can see we saw Harmony One fall down all the way down to that 13.6 cents mark, guys. 13.6 cents mark. And we had a recovery of about, if you picked up some Harmony One around here, we saw a recovery of about 177% move towards the upside from there. But this time around, we saw something very interesting play out. You can see, same thing. We did see, you guys know, saw the price of Bitcoin fall towards the downside once again. We saw Harmony One fall as well, but this time around, we saw it supported by the 17.9 cents support level, and we did not manage to revisit the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And that is a very, very bullish indicator that no one should be ignoring right now. But now comes the question, are we out of the woods yet? And are we really going to revisit these prices? So it all comes down to, you already know, the price of Bitcoin, because at the end of the day, you guys already know, on the Crypto ZX channel, we are always monitoring the price of Bitcoin, because I always try to educate my followers that, hey, Bitcoin is the king of the market, it's the leading indicator, and if Bitcoin decides to tumble towards the downside, everything will follow, as everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. But right now, guys, this is the moment of truth. Over the past couple of days, we have seen the bulls get back into their zone. Bulls have advantage, but the moment of truth is that we are going towards this $43,400 resistance level. And if we get rejected by this zone, guys, then things could mean that we're definitely not out of the woods just yet. But if we are able to break out of this resistance level, and most importantly that $46,300 mark, guys, then me personally, I would say that this indicates that we are indeed headed for a reversal towards the upside. But until then, guys, we're definitely not out of the woods just yet, even though we had seen quite a bit of a rally towards the upside. I'm a little picky on this type of thing, so we need to keep that factor in mind. But BTC dominance is still hovering around the 42%, so nothing has changed on that. But now comes the Harmony One. Let's make that conclusion. Are we going back up to these levels? Harmony One has showed all of us in the cryptocurrency market the overall momentum it has, how good the project itself is, how big the community is, how strong the community is, and how the holders are hodling no matter what. And this is a bullish indicator when I am looking at altcoins. This really goes to show that individuals are not here for short-term gains. Obviously, we are going to have some amount of people that are going to be here to just grab a quick buck, but there are majority of the people in the Harmony One's ecosystem are the ones that believe in the project and that can think that this project is going to be one of the leading projects in the upcoming years. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now, if we are even looking at the overall momentum that we have seen over the past couple months. And one thing that's very interesting happening right now is, you can see, we saw it go saw it have a top, we saw it go down, top again, down. So does this mean that we are headed for another breakout towards the upside, and we might even see a new all-time high? That's what everyone wants to know. And you never know, but right now we do want to be taking it one step at a time. Right now, the next crucial level of resistance is at that 26.8 cents mark. If we're able to break out of here, guys, then I would be convinced that Harmony One is ready to break out towards the upside and hit all-time highs. But with that being said, guys, right now all eyes should be on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is sitting at some critical price levels. If Bitcoin does get rejected at that $43,400 mark, then we could see Harmony One possibly revisit these price points, or even go back down to that 17.9 cents mark. So it's a very, very interesting time ahead for the overall cryptocurrency markets, but I will keep you guys updated. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see the price of Harmony One go at the end of this month? I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if we are looking at the Harmony One's staking rewards, 46.22% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. Again, 46.22% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. And this is what I try to tell you guys from the beginning. If you guys are a believer of Harmony One, you have done your due diligence and research and believe that Harmony One can be way higher in the next coming years from where it's at now, you want to be staking your Harmony One and earning passive income. And that's what we're seeing a lot of people do right now. And this creates a supply shock, guys. This creates a supply shock. And, we are starting to see that happen right now, right in front of us. Obviously, when there is a very limited supply on the exchanges to be purchased, and, when the hype really does come in, when the volume gets driven into the altcoin, altcoin will tend to, recover way faster compared to, other altcoins. So, that's some I think that you should always keep in mind. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and where could you see Harmony One price go at the end of this month. And that's it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, if you can like, comment, and subscribe, that's literally all I ask for. And that would mean the absolute world for me. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. It means the absolute world for me. And we're just getting started, guys. Crypto ZX channel is just getting started. We're about to take over. I'll remember that. And, stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.